Today, we are going to be talking about a very important topic in computer science, algorithms. An algorithm is a set of instructions that outlines how to solve a problem. It's like a recipe, with every step carefully planned out to achieve the desired outcome. Algorithms are used in computer programming to perform tasks such as searching, sorting, calculating mathematical problems, etc. Here is an example given which illustrates an algorithm to add two numbers and display the sum. We can see in the example as a step 1, the variable a is read. Step 2 reads another variable b. The sum is calculated as sum equal to a plus b and the resultant sum is printed. So this algorithm, these steps define an algorithm to add two numbers and print the sum. We can clearly see that each and every step is clearly defined to print the sum of two numbers. There are many different types of algorithms, including sorting algorithm, searching algorithm, graph algorithms, etc. Some of the most popular algorithms include quicksort, binary search, Dijkstra's shortest path algorithms. We saw that an algorithm is a set of instructions that outlines how to solve a problem. But for an algorithm to be considered effective and efficient, it needs to meet certain criteria. The criteria for an algorithm can be divided into 5 major categories. First one is the input. The input to an algorithm should be well defined and clearly specified. Output of an algorithm should produce the correct output for any given input. The third criteria is definiteness. This criteria refers to the property of an algorithm to have well-defined, clear and unambiguous instructions that can be followed to solve a particular problem. In other words, the steps of an algorithm must be defined precisely so that it can be implemented and executed without any confusion. Finiteness. The algorithm should terminate after a finite number of steps and produce the desired output. The next criteria is effectiveness. This criteria refers to the property of an algorithm to produce the correct output for any given input, and it should be in a finite amount of time. An algorithm is said to be effective if it terminates after a finite number of steps and produces the correct result. Now let's look into an example to see how these criteria play the role in real life examples. For instance, let us take a sorting algorithm. The input to this algorithm is a list of numbers that need to be sorted in ascending or descending order. The output should be the same list but sorted according to the specified order. And the finiteness criteria requires that the algorithm terminates after a finite number of steps, producing the sorted list. So, these are the main criteria that define an algorithm. An algorithm that meets these criteria is considered to be well defined and effective. In future videos, we'll be exploring how these criteria can be used to evaluate different algorithms and determine which one is the best for the given problem. And that's it for today's video. Thank you.